Hello there. Today, we'll talk about Unified Modeling Language, or UML Diagram Model. Let's get started. UML is a standardized modeling language, consisting of an integrated set of diagrams, developed to help system and software developers for specifying, visualizing, constructing and documenting the artifacts of software system.
UML mostly use graphical notations to express the design of software projects. UML helps team communication, potential designs exploration, and architectural software design validation. There are two types of UML. The first type is for structural diagram. Structural diagram divided into some types. First, class diagram describes the types of object in system and various kinds of statistic relationships which exist between them. Second, object diagram is an overview of object in the system at one point in time, often referred as command diagram. Third, component diagram that often used to model the static implementation view of the system. Last but not least, deployment diagram shows the configuration of runtime processing nodes and the components that live on them. The second type of UML is behavioral diagram. First, activity diagram shows flow of control from activity to activity. Second, use case diagram is the primary form of system or software requirements for a new software program underdeveloped. Third, system sequence diagram, UML diagram that shows the interaction between objects that are represented as lifelines in a sequential order. Fourth, collaboration diagram that is designed for illustrating the dynamic view of the system. And last is state chart diagram or state machine diagram, a diagram that shows the different states of an entity. It shows how an entity responds to various events by changing from one state to another. That's all about UML diagram model. Hope you enjoyed the video.